positioning for difficulty in breathing and coughing. For difficulty in breathing or dyspnea or coughing. What is the right position when the patient is getting dyspnea? The patient should be in side-lying position. Why side-lying? Because side-lying, when the patient is in side-lying position, the lung upwards and this abdomen is going down. So this abdomen is not restricted, the breathe normal and the ventilation is normal in upward direction. So bad lungs should be always in upward direction. Why? Because it will get better oxygenation, patient is in a relaxed position. Third, pain will be reduced, better ventilation perfusion match. And it is work of the breathing will be reduced. No. High side lying position. When the person is getting dyspnea, you should always ask the patient to go in high side lying position. Side lying position. Here you have to place the pillow between the axilla and the hip joint muscles. Here it is hip joint muscles and this is axillary border. So axilla. In this position, the patient will feel better, and he has to take slow rhythmic breathing exercise. Take the breath slow and relax. Normal. Count 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. 1, 2, 3, 4. Relax. Okay. Next is prone lying. Prone, there is two positions. One is abdomen restricted position and one is abdomen free position. So abdomen and free position, you have to use two pillow, increase the height of the hip joint and ask the patient to sit. So here abdomen should not be get compressed. If abdomen will get compressed, then this diaphragm will not move. Whenever the patient oxygen saturation is going down, you should have to lift the hip joint muscles and this abdomen should be not restricted and head and neck should be completely supported with the pillow, and ask the patient to take slow rhythmic deep breathing. So please take slow breath and just you have to give little percussion here, slow, in inferior angle of scapula bilateral, like this. Active and his saturation is almost 90 to 91%, then you ask the patient to go in this position and ask him to take deep breath, slow and relax, slow and relax, slow, relax. This position will relieve the back pain also and the patient will feel comfort. Okay. The patient has to come in the supine lying position and the percussion you have to give below the nipple area like this. This is the cycle. First you have to go in the sideline position, sideline to prone position, prone to supine position. Then you will feel and the patient will feel better, oxygenation level will go up, work of breathing will be reduced, the patient will be in relaxed position and sitting position. And here in the sitting position, the spine should be straight and neck should be little downward, so that breathing will come easily and ventilations will be better. And from back side, in lower part of the scapula, you have to give mild percussion.